Chosen one, lean in, because this is not just another message. Today is not ordinary, and you are not here by chance. Your spirit was guided here, and what I'm about to release into your life will change the entire direction of your story. I declare with full divine authority, your wealth transfer has begun. This isn't wishful thinking. This isn't empty motivation. This is a prophetic decree over your life, and nothing can stop it. For too long you have waited, prayed, believed, and persevered through storms that would have broken others. The universe never forgot you. The divine has been preparing this moment long before you even knew to ask for it. And now, chosen one, your time has come. The provision, the overflow, the opportunities, they are not a distant dream anymore. They are arriving now faster than you expect, greater than you imagined, and heavier than you've ever carried before. This is not like other seasons. This is the moment that breaks cycles. For generations, your family may have known struggle and limitations, but what is being poured into your life now will silence those cycles forever. What your ancestors never saw, you will hold. What your parents thought was impossible, you will walk in. What your family line only dreamed about, you will manifest before their very eyes. And yet, chosen one, be prepared. Your family, your friends, even those closest to you may not understand. They may doubt, question, or even mock. They will ask, how is this possible? How could you of all people carry something so big? Remember this truth. Their doubt is not about you. It is about the limits of their vision. They cannot see what you see. They cannot feel what you feel. They have not been chosen to carry what you are about to carry. For years, they have only known cycles of smallness. They have seen doors slam shut, opportunities vanish, and dreams fade. They may not have the capacity to imagine something greater. But chosen one, that's exactly why you were picked. The wealth transfer in your life is not just for you. It is to break those very cycles and rewrite the story of your bloodline. Listen carefully. This wealth transfer does not come from man. It does not come from luck, coincidence, or human calculation. No person can claim credit for this. This has been written, orchestrated, and funded by the highest divine order. It comes directly from source energy, from heaven's abundance. That is why no one will be able to block it, no critic cancel it, and no skeptic explain it away. You don't need approval. You don't need to explain or prove what's happening. The evidence will speak louder than words. The transformation in your life will be undeniable. Doors will open that no human could have opened. Opportunities will come that no effort of your own could have produced. The abundance will be so evident, even those who doubted you will have to admit, this is divine. Chosen one, hear me. Wealth transfer is bigger than money. Yes, financial breakthrough is coming. Yes, your accounts will overflow, but that is just one layer. This transfer includes influence. It includes positioning. It includes recognition. It means your voice will be heard in rooms where it was once silenced. It means your presence will carry authority, and your actions will create ripple effects that impact lives beyond your own. For too long, you have been underestimated, overlooked, and pushed aside. But now, the very thing they dismissed is the very thing being elevated. You are moving from ignored to chosen, from rejected to celebrated, from underestimated to undeniable. Don't forget the journey, chosen one. This breakthrough did not come overnight. You have walked through long seasons of silence and delay. You've endured rejection and disappointment. You wondered if you were forgotten, if your faith was wasted, but all of it was preparation. Every not yet was shaping your character. Every delay was training your spirit. Every test was strengthening your faith. You are wiser, stronger, sharper, more discerning. Now you are ready. Now you can carry the blessing without it crushing you. And pay attention. This wealth transfer may begin in ways that seem small. It might start with a new idea, a new connection, a small door that doesn't look like much at first. Don't despise the seed, for every flood begins with a drop. What looks small in your hand today will multiply into more than you can contain tomorrow. And when it pours, it will pour without limits. Suddenly, rapidly, overwhelmingly. Your family may look confused. They may whisper behind your back. They may wonder, how did this happen? But as they watch the consistency of the blessings, as they see the doors opening one after another, their doubt will turn into awe. Eventually, the very people who questioned you will come to you for guidance. Chosen one, remember. This is not just about you. This transfer is generational. The universe is rewriting your bloodline through you. Where your family once struggled, now there will be legacy. Where there was limitation, there will now be unlimited flow. Where there was shame, there will now be honor. You are carrying this not only for yourself, but for your children, your grandchildren, and those who will come after you. And hear me well, with great blessing comes great responsibility. This wealth is not given for display or empty consumption. This wealth is given for purpose. You are called to be a steward, to multiply, to build, to open doors for others, to create opportunities for those still trapped in the very cycles you are breaking. You are chosen as a vessel for impact. Your abundance is your assignment. You will not need to explain this blessing. The fruit will speak for itself. Your peace will be the evidence. Your opportunities will be the evidence. The favor surrounding you will be the evidence. The consistency of blessings in your life will silence every doubt. People may try to explain it away, but they won't be able to, because this wealth transfer carries a divine signature. It is marked by God, stamped by heaven, and aligned with the universe itself. At first, your family may not believe. They may question how you went from overlooked to overflowing. But as they see it unfold, disbelief will turn to respect. Skepticism will turn to inspiration. Doubt will turn to faith. You will be the living proof that the divine can do exceedingly, abundantly above all that anyone could ask or imagine. And now, chosen one, I call you to activate your faith. This is not just a message to hear, it is a word to engage with. If you are ready to align, type 777 in the comments. 7 is the number of divine completion, harvest, and new beginnings. By declaring 777, you are sealing this prophetic word over your life. You are saying, I am ready. I am aligned. I am stepping boldly into my wealth transfer. Don't just watch, participate. Like this video, subscribe, and stay connected until the end, because every word is unlocking more alignment in your spirit. And finally, chosen one, stay grounded. Stay humble. Remember, this is not for your glory, but for a greater purpose. Do not waste what you are given. Use this blessing wisely and keep your heart aligned with the mission. The universe is trusting you with this, and the way you steward it will shape the lives of many beyond you. This wealth transfer is undeniable, unstoppable, and unshakable. It is already in motion, and no power on earth can take it away. Walk boldly into your destiny. Embrace the abundance. Embrace the influence. Embrace the legacy. Because your breakthrough is not coming, it is here. Chosen one, you have been marked. You have been chosen. And nothing can stop what has already been released in your name.